welcome to the Hub of Knowledge Study Style.
Guys, I hope you all are doing well. So as you know that we are doing the word map series. This is part 3 of the European continent. We have already done with the 2 parts. First of all, we will have a quick revision of the things which we have already done, and then we will start with the video. So guys, here you can see the map of Europe. Here I told you about this line, this longitude. This is 0 degree prime meridian, and it passes through UK, some western part of France and eastern part of Spain, and then to the Mediterranean Sea. Here I also told you about that to the west of the 0 degree prime meridian, here lies Irish Sea, and to the north of this lies North Channel, and to the south of it lies St. George Channel. Then I told you about this Gulf of Bothnia, which lies between Sweden and Finland, and this is Baltic Sea. And here this small gulf is Gulf of Riga. Riga is the capital of Latvia. These are the Baltic countries, Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. Then we talk about this Gulf of Finland, which lies to the south of Finland country. Then I told you about this Jutland Peninsula, which lies between Denmark and some part of Germany also. And to the west of this lies North Sea, and to the east of this lies Baltic Sea. Then I told you about Gulf of Biscay, which lies between France and Spain. And this one, this to the south of France, here like Gulf of Lions is a small gulf, Gulf of Lions. And this is Mediterranean Sea. So let's know more features about this European continent. One more thing I told you about this is Kola Peninsula, and to the north of this lie Barents Sea, and to the south of this lie White Sea. Now guys, you can see the blank map of Europe. Let's read about the Adriatic Sea. So as you can see this part, this is Mediterranean Sea, and this country, this is Italy, bulging out in Mediterranean Sea. So to the north of this country Italy, here lies a sea which is known by the name Adriatic Sea. This is Adriatic Sea, and it touches boundary with many of the countries. So as you can see that this is Italy, and to the south of this here, this small country is Slovenia, and then this country is Croatia, and to the south of Croatia lies Bosnia-Herzegovina. Here this country is Bosnia-Herzegovina, and to the south of this small country is Montenegro, and then this is Albania. So guys, these are the countries which touch boundary with Adriatic Sea: Italy, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia-Herzegovina, Montenegro and Albania. And to the western side Italy lies. Now one more important thing to consider here is that this is Albania, as I have shown you, this is Albania, and to the south of this Albania here, this country is Greece. So Greece do not touch boundary with Adriatic Sea. So keep it in your mind that Greece do not touch boundary with Adriatic Sea. And to the west of this, you can see the small islands, these islands. So these are the Ionian Islands, which are the territory of Greece only. And also to the west of these Ionian Islands, here, this portion, this is Ionian Sea, which is named after these Ionian Islands. So this is Ionian Sea. And guys, as I have told you that this portion is Italy, and here this portion you are seeing, this is the island named as Sicily, and this is known to be the largest island of Mediterranean Sea. So this is Italy, so this is Sicily, which is Italian region. Sometimes it is known as the toe of Italy. As you can see that this is the boot and this is toe. So sometimes it is also known as toe of Italy. And here now you can see this is Sardinia. This is also the island, and this is also the part of Italy. I think this have become very hodgepodge. So I should show you the maps so that you may get the clear view of this Adriatic Sea region and Ionian Sea region. So guys, as you can see here that this is Italy, and this one is Adriatic Sea. Okay. And this is Sicily. This is also the largest island of Mediterranean Sea, as I told you moments back. And this is Sardinia. It is also the island of Italy only. Then I told you about these. This is Greece, which is not part of Adriatic Sea, and these small islands in the west of Greece are Ionian Islands, and here lies Ionian Sea, and Ionian Sea is a part of Mediterranean Sea. So you can say that this Ionian Sea lies between Italy and Greece. So this Adriatic Sea and this Ionian Sea both are part of Mediterranean Sea, right? So guys, you can see it over here. This is Italy, and here this is Adriatic Sea. This is Ionian Sea, and this is Sicily, largest island of Mediterranean Sea. And then this is Sardinia. This is also the island of Italy only. And you can see that this is Greece, which is not connected with Adriatic Sea. And these are the countries associated with Adriatic Sea: Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia Herzegovina, Montenegro and Albania. So you have to learn these 5 countries. These are very important because question can come to arrange them from the north to south direction, and also as the associated countries of Adriatic Sea. Now guys, you can see that this is the country Ukraine, which lies in Europe, and this is Russia. This yellow part you can see, this is Moscow, the capital of Russia. Russia is a transcontinental country, which I have already told you. Some of its parts lies in Europe also, and major part of it lies in Asia. So you can see this country Ukraine, and here a small piece of land. This is called Crimea. Actually you can see that they both are colored with a yellow color, dark yellow. But Crimea is not part of Ukraine. Actually Crimea is a disputed territory between Russia and Ukraine. Ukraine claimed that Crimea is part of Ukraine, but Russia have annexed this in 2014. That is why, if you have heard the news at that time, Russia was also expelled from the G7 countries because of the annexation of Crimea. Many of the countries regard this Crimea as a part of Ukraine, but Russia administer it. So we can say that this is a disputed territory between Ukraine and Russia. As you know that about POK, Pakistan Occupied Kashmir, which is a disputed territory between India and Pakistan. Likewise, Crimea is also disputed territory between Ukraine and Russia. So here you can see that this is Sea of Azov. Here this is Sea of Azov, which lies between Ukraine and Russia. And to the south of this you can see this is Black Sea, and Sea of Azov is connected to Black Sea by Strait of Kerch. This is Strait of Kerch. So keep it in your mind that Sea of Azov is connected with Black Sea by Strait of Kerch. Right? Don't worry, I will show you it in the clear map, a zooming view of the Sea of Azov and Black Sea. Guys, you can see this map. This is Sea of Azov, which lies, this is Crimea. Here it is written as part of Ukraine, but as I told you that it is annexed by Russia, and it is administered by Russia after 2014, and this is Russia. And Sea of Azov is connected with Black Sea by Strait of Kerch. Here you can see that this is the Strait of Kerch. Now guys, you have known about Sea of Azov and Black Sea. Now let us know the countries which are touching boundary with Black Sea. Black Sea is an inland sea which is located between far southeastern Europe. As you can see in this map, this is Black Sea, and it lies to the far eastern side of European continent. Right, this is European continent. And you can also say that it lies to the western edges of Asia. This is Asia. Now you can see here, this is Black Sea. It is surrounded by 6 countries, as you can see it over here. First of all, you can see that this is connected with Russia. Okay. Then this Ukraine country. Here lies Sea of Azov, as I told you. It is a Strait of Kerch. And then Romania. Then this Bulgaria. And this is Turkey. And here a small country, Georgia also. So Black Sea is connected by Ukraine, Romania, Bulgaria, Turkey, Russia and Georgia. One more thing to keep it in your mind. Sometimes Moldova comes. But just keep it in your mind that this Moldova is a landlocked country. As you can see that this is not connected by sea in any direction. So this is not associated with Black Sea because this is a landlocked country. So keep it in your mind that Moldova is a landlocked country which is not associated with Black Sea. Guys, here in this map also you can see this is Black Sea. This is Sea of Azov, I told you, which lies between this Crimea and Russia. This is the Strait of Kerch. Now Black Sea is touching boundary with Ukraine, Russia, Romania, Bulgaria, Turkey and Georgia. Moldova is a landlocked country which is not connected in any way by the Black Sea. So you should learn these countries associated with Black Sea because these are very important. Now when we are reading about this Black Sea, let us know about this Sea of Marmara. As you can see it over here. This is also the inland sea which is surrounded by Turkey on all the sides. How it is associated with Turkey on all the sides? You can see that this is country Turkey and this part is also Turkey. Although this part lies in Europe. This is Europe and this is Asia. But I told you as Russia is also a transcontinental country like Turkey, which lies in both the continents, that is Europe and Asia. Minor part of Turkey lies in Europe. As you can see, this minor part lies in Europe and this major part lies in Asia. So this is Sea of Marmara which lies between Turkey. Now you can see that this Sea of Marmara is connected with Black Sea here. This is the water body and this strait is known as Bosphorus Strait. And also you can see that Sea of Marmara is connected in the west by this Aegean Sea, and the name of this strait is Dardanelles Strait. So this is very important to know that the Sea of Marmara is connected by Black Sea in the east direction by Bosphorus Strait and in the west direction to the Aegean Sea by Dardanelles Strait. And also that Sea of Marmara is surrounded on all the sides by Turkey only, because Turkey have some of its parts in Europe and major part in Asia. And this Aegean Sea, you can see it lies between Turkey and this Greece. You can see in this map, this is Sea of Marmara, which is surrounded on all the sides by Turkey. Actually, this is also part of Turkey and this is also the part of Turkey. Okay, then this is the Strait of Bosphorus as it is written over here, which is connecting Sea of Marmara with Black Sea. And this is Strait of Dardanelles, which is written over here, and Sea of Marmara is connected with Dardanelles with Aegean Sea. Okay, I hope this concept is clear to you now, because these are the minor straits which are not given in atlases, so you just have to heed upon this. I hope you have understood the part 3 of European continent. We will have more sessions of Europe in our next coming videos. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you like the content of my video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment on it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.